Hi, this is Stan. Welcome back to the Crow's Nest Railroad. Well, we're out at the Maricopa Live Steamers park this morning. We're going to see if we can fire up the big Prairie steam locomotive and go for a ride. So, hope you can join me. It is quiet and empty here in the main yard this morning. Even the turntable's pulled for maintenance. But it should be a good day. Temperatures are crisp. Great day to run a steam locomotive. All right, got the boiler filled and the tender filled with water. And I can see my breath. Time to light the fire. This Prairie is propane fired.
Good catch.
This is Bill Pardee. This is this beautiful Prairie locomotive. Hi. Bill, when did you put this into service?
It's probably been about 5 years ago, I guess.
And what kind of time did you spend building it and reconditioning and things like that?
I spent almost a year putting it together and putting the various parts, assembling. Boiler was pre-made. Tender was already made, but all required painting and all of the plumbing, the timing, yeah, all the fancy little items.
Well, Bill, this locomotive is really probably the showcase locomotive of our club. I mean, you can see it in all our promotional pictures, and it's just a beautiful machine to see running, and it pulls great.
Yeah, the American class, although this was a Prairie by wheel arrangement designation, it kind of followed the lines of the American locomotive, which was essentially the first locomotives that did the transcontinental railroad hauling, and they all were just really beautiful works of art. Lots of brass and painting and ornaments and stuff like that. They were real fancy engine, and of course as time went along, they just went into the solid black locomotive and pretty much got rid of all the fancy brass. Took time to polish it.
Well, Bill, thank you so much. It's such a treat to see this thing run, and we so appreciate the energy and time and money that you've put into not only our club, but locomotive like this where the public gets to enjoy it.
Yeah, well, I have really enjoyed it, and sure look forward to maybe hopefully teaching some people to be able to operate it also, so I can share that fun.
this is Stan saying so long for this week. Special thanks to Bill Pardee for giving us such a fantastic close-up look at the marvelous Prairie locomotive, and we even got to take a ride on it. So Bill, thank you so much. Thanks to Bob for helping us out as well. See you right here next time on the Crow's Nest Railroad.
Get that spot right. Just about ready to dynamo. Got water.